FreakCon 2023 in Malaga, with a Harry Potter movie star attending. The 7th edition of this festival is this weekend with the aim of turning the city into the capital of geek culture. FreakCon 2023, 4 and 5 March, at the city's Congress and Exhibition Center. This edition will see the appearance of two very well-known guests, the actor Mark Williams, acclaimed for his role as Mr. Weasley in Harry Potter, and the German performer and cosplayer Maul, who has millions of followers around the world on his social networks. They are the stars of honor, who are coming to Malaga for the first time and are very excited to get to know the city, said the general manager of festival promoter Kaiju Entertainment, Monica Ibars. Mark and Maul will be joined by more than 30 renowned professionals. They will all pass through the spaces of the center's two auditoriums, in a new concept called FreakCon Forum, which will provide a more intimate space, in addition to a talk zone. In total, the festival will be divided into more than 40 spaces. There will be the traditional artists' alley and the artisan zone with about 100 creators who come from all over the world to sell their handmade products. You can also visit the chess zone, which this year will hold new and larger tournaments, a workshop zone, K-pop and cosplay, a tattoo zone, and the main stage with concerts and live competitions. This is the most ambitious edition of FreakCon, said the vice president of the deputation, Malaga's provincial authority, Manuel Marmolejo. The dignitary said that he visits this festival every year and that it is one of the events that brings the most people to the exhibition center. Projects like this are important to excite young people who want their future in this sector. This year this festival is going to be huge, said the Councillor for Urban Innovation and Digitalization, Susana Carrillo. If you enjoy these videos, please consider liking and subscribing to stay updated with future content.